Unlock the secrets to breathing breathtaking life into your digital visions with Midjourney's most advanced creative power. Today, we're going beyond simple prompts to craft truly incredible artwork in Midjourney, pushing the platform to its absolute limits. Start with a core concept that ignites your imagination. Let's say we want a cyberpunk samurai warrior. Instead of just that, let's layer in descriptive adjectives like rugged, battle-worn, and glowing neon accents. Now, we inject personality and context. Think about the environment: standing on a rain-slicked, neon-drenched alleyway. What's the mood? Intense, determined, atmospheric. Crucially, we'll introduce parameters to guide the AI aspect ratio, like AR 169 for a cinematic feel. Tells Midjourney the desired shape of your image. Will also specify the version, say V50 for the latest advanced features, and for stunning detail and artistic flair, we'll use the stylized parameter, like S750, to encourage Midjourney's creative interpretation. Don't be afraid to experiment with negative prompting too. If you're seeing unwanted elements, use no blurry background to exclude them from your generation. Combine these techniques: evocative language, detailed descriptions of lighting and texture, specific artistic styles like cinematic lighting or painterly, and then refine with those powerful parameters. The key is iteration: generate, evaluate, and tweak your prompt until your vision is perfectly realized. With these advanced prompting techniques, you're not just generating images, you're sculpting digital masterpieces. Now go forth and create something truly incredible.